Hi, we're in New York City on the Staten Island Ferry. The Staten Island Ferry runs from Manhattan to Staten Island. Many people ride the Staten Island Ferry to get to work or to get home. But we're here today to do some carpool chemistry. Today, we're going to show you how to use density as a conversion factor in dimensional analysis. Let's say you found a old chunk of gold in your backyard and you put it inside of a graduated cylinder, and using differences in volumes, you find out that the volume of your gold nugget is 3,680 centimeters cubed. But you want to find out what the mass in grams of it is. You simply use dimensional analysis. That is, what we want is equal to what we have times conversion factors. Underneath want, you write down what you want. Well, we want the mass, or grams. Remember, we're using the units here. Underneath have, we write down what we have. What piece of information is most closely related to the amount of grams? That is, what quantity of this gold do we have available to us? Well, it's not the density. This looks more like a factor that relates grams to centimeters cubed. What we actually have is this big chunk of gold that has this volume of 3,680 centimeters cubed. Now we want to convert centimeter cubed to grams for gold specifically. Now for gold specifically, the density is 19.3 grams per centimeters cubed, and that can be confirmed here on this chart. Gold, 19.31 grams per centimeter cubed is the density. And so what we're going to do is use this conversion factor as our as our means of converting from centimeters cubed to grams. And so we simply multiply it by 19.3 grams per centimeters cubed. The centimeters cubed cancels out, leaving us with grams. We are now able to put down our equal sign, take out your calculator. 3680 times 19.3 equals 71,024 grams. And that's how you use density as a conversion factor in dimensional analysis. Now, what happens if instead of giving you the volume and asking you to find the mass, they do the opposite and you're given the mass and they ask you to find the volume? Similar type thing. What we want is equal to what we have times our conversion factors. Underneath want, we want the centimeters cubed, or the volume. Underneath have, we have 26,642 grams. And now the conversion factor is going to be similar, but a little bit different. As we know, the density is 19.3 grams per centimeters cubed. It could also be said that the density is equal to, or another way of writing this is 1 centimeter cubed for every 19.3 grams. And in this case, we would choose to multiply by our second factor, 1 centimeter cubed over 19.3 grams, in order to allow our grams to cancel out. For every 19.3 grams, and as we see our grams cancel out, and if we calculate this on our calculator, we have 26642 times 1 divided by 19.3 grams, and we come up with 1380. 0.41 centimeters cubed. And that's how you calculate the volume, knowing mass, using density as a factor in. From the Staten Island Ferry in New York City, this is Carpool Chemistry. Thanks for watching.